What's up, y'all? It's that boy J.E. Today y'all hear a couple of our new songs.
This song dedicated to
y'all want, I'll rap it to y'all. Y'all can't hear me. I'll turn it up.
2 words for you. Get up. Have you ever wanna give up? Put your hands together, looked up. Ask yourself, why is life fucked up? When's enough up? People tell you be a person you really don't wanna be. Leave you ask yourself, is this me? What's my true destiny? Soon you'll see through the eyes that bleed. There's only one you, one breathe, and 3 things that you need. That's paper, forest, and weed. Believe when I say it, bruh. Listen to what I say to you. You gotta grow up to not give a fuck and tell them haters. Use what you know to get away from these bumpy roads. Say fuck the road, man. You gon' pass go. With nothing in mind, but you know that's how it should go. United we gon' roll, so no more bars in the flow. I used to look for the enemy till I realized those enemy. Now my eyes open wide, I can see my destiny. With my old self having it a D-I-E. So if you're looking for some change, then come follow me, man. You gotta get up, man. Every time you fall, rise to the top. Get the spot, stand tall. You gotta lose that pride. Do what's right, stay alive. Do whatever it takes to keep that money inside. You gotta get up, man. Every time you fall, rise to the top. Get the spot, stand tall. You gotta lose that pride. Do what's right, stay alive. Do whatever it takes to keep that money inside. I hear your hunger and pain in this game called life, but you can't just give up, man. You gotta fight for what's right. Freedom ain't free. Trust me, I had my time to bleed. Even had moments to grieve. Witness niggas who would deceive. My family don't even believe in me, the person I grew to be. My attitude towards that's like, fuck, I'm gonna get this cheese. You got the people who hold a grudge, and you got the ones who just judge. But I don't give a fuck, I'm gonna eat it up like it's hot fudge. It's nothing but a piece of cake, it's my fate to not be fake. I'm gonna prove it to y'all people through the music that I make. Try to test a dude like me, gon' see I'm a hustling machine. Designed to chase my dream, following I'll never be seen. Now it's one man, I ain't like strong, holding along. Trying to get this message through your head with this damn song. It'll be on, getting the right path to be someone. So don't hate on me, man, I'm just trying to get the job done. Every time you fall, rise to the top. Get the spot, stand tall. You gotta lose that pride. Do what's right and stay alive. Do whatever it takes to keep that money inside. You gotta get up. Every time you fall, rise to the top. Get the spot, stand tall. You gotta lose that pride. R3D. You dig?
I've been wishing for some sunlight in life, cause when you die and on your ass it seems like ain't nothing right. I keep my hands to the sky, mirror recircling my brain, just to keep a nigga high so he can really maintain. Keep a couple real niggas when you doing your thing, cause all
y'all know about Texas Hustlers Commission, THC.
Strategy thing. Live your life, don't worry about what other people be saying, cause you ain't living for them, so go on give them the hand. And all you need to know is who I am and where I'ma end. Like it's a game, like nights either you hit or you crap. But at any given time, you know you can bounce back straight at the top. More than likely, that's where I'ma be. No matter who no R3D, the one y'all cannot defeat. So I think that it's clear that by next year, that THC will still be the hottest guy here.
You gotta get up. Every time you fall, rise to the top. Get the spot, stand tall. You gotta lose that pride. Do what's right, stay alive. Do whatever it takes to keep that money inside. You gotta get up. Every time you fall, rise to the top. Get the spot, stand tall. You gotta lose that pride. Do what's right, stay alive. Do whatever it takes to keep that money inside. You gotta get up. Every time you fall, rise to the top. Stand tall. Pride, staying alive. Do whatever it takes to keep that money inside. Yeah. 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 What you know? THC.